Excel Logics is Hyderabad's best marketplace for education. We help the candidates to prepare for the future of work by connecting them to top-rated courses and IT training programs in business, technology, and design across Hyderabad. Deepti Reddy, a highly accomplished and renowned trainer, has an extensive work experience of 5 years. She carries a wide-ranging experience of 4 years, with ADP India, Rhythmus India, Piramal Groups, Purview Health Services etc., into corporate training to serve as a trainer. Her contribution in enriching people's experiences is supported in trainings with examples, practical takeaways and Excel automations. What began with a desire to train, led to the establishment of Excel Logics in 2014. Training method: visual, learning by seeing or watching; auditory, learning by hearing information; practical, learning through action, or by doing. The different types of training methods: technology-based learning, simulators, job-oriented, mentoring, instructor-led training, real-time scenarios, videos, case studies, Excel and VBA training. Excel, Power Query, dashboards, VBA, macros. 40 plus TRS, live classes, 100 plus assessments, access on mobile, laptop, job-oriented training, 100% placement assistance, certificate after course completion. Excel Essentials for the Real World. Microsoft Excel Beginner to Professional. Includes pivot tables, Power Query, new formulas. Excel 365, 2019 and 2016. What you learn. Master the essential Excel formulas and features to accelerate your career. Learn Excel from scratch. Learn to use pivot tables, pivot charts, slicers and timelines for interactive Excel reports. Explore the potential of Power Query. You'll be surprised at what you achieve with a bit of Power Query knowledge. Get access to a proven and state-of-the-art Excel course including challenges, quizzes and exercises. Learn what's new in Excel for Microsoft 365 and how these changes impact the way you use Excel.
Unlock Excel VBA and Excel macros. Automate complex tasks with Microsoft Excel VBA and Excel macros. Real-world projects included. Achieve more. Save time. What you learn. Enhance your current Excel files and automate your work with VBA. Master Excel VBA and macros. Reduce manual routine tasks to the click of a button. Make your work life easier. Create simple solutions to complex problems by leveraging Excel functionality with macros. Formulas and Excel core functionality can't do everything. Use VBA when you reach a limitation.